Drop your right ear into my hand, just like that. So you feel, and just relax as much as you can. That was a freebie.
Yeah.
You feel how when I come in here, it's just a little sticky? We're gonna let that one marinate a little bit. That's that spot that we were talking about. That's where the pressure is. If this was moving properly, you would have no tenderness, no pain here. Do you feel how it's a little tender in there?
Yeah, definitely.
And this one is gonna help the migraines. We're gonna turn the lights on right here. Drop this left ear in my hand. We're already going. So just relax, relax. Wow. Yes, sir. So that's a lot of pressure in there, huh?
Uh-huh.
Just let that one marinate for a sec. Alright, here we go. Yes, sir. Face me on the other side. We're gonna roll you in, just relax. Woo! On your back, sir. So I'm gonna scoop right under here. Close your teeth for me. And you just relax everything. We're going straight up. You may feel this all the way down. Yes, you did. Come on up. You feel that kind of jiggle in there?
Yeah.
There it is. See, you needed the tune-up, didn't you?
Yeah, that was a big pop.
Right here. Nice. Right here. Ooh. You feel that? Right here. There it is.